guys, it's me, UwuCutesingle here, and today we will roast my haters back. I mean, part 2. Let's go! Oh, I forgot. Easy. I'm just doing what I'm actually.
Yeah, I don't.
Are you serious right now?
What's this? It's my video.
We got 6 million subscribers and get 10,000 views a video.
So, everyone in the Boblocks community is roasting
You fatherless people.
and if you're living under a rock and you somehow don't know who
Kaka, if you don't know, the only person who living a rock is Patrick from SpongeBob. People don't live under the rock.
she is, lucky you.
From capitalizing on religious beliefs of her viewers to promoting gambling websites to children, this channel stands as a direct competitor to Lisa Gaming.
Also guys, about Lisa Gaming, I added her in my own game and find my game in my Roblox profile named Aruntik in favorites and play this game. Try to find me and Lisa Gaming there. And other YouTubers. Bye!
Popular Roblox YouTuber UwuCutesingle has begun advertising to her
Down in Ohio, fucking all these bitches.
audience of children within the age range of around 8 to 13 years old.
You sure made a discount on the age part, not gonna lie.
She's a kid herself, and let's be realistic here, nobody clicks on advertisements 90% of the time.
That's law.
What is 70 people?
Despite numerous Twitter threads and videos exposing the undeniable irresponsibility of your actions, your brain still insists on creating a response video. I can't quite fathom the thought process that led you to this conclusion. No, I'm serious. What the hell were you thinking, blood?
Yes! The video!
Hi everyone, I am UwuCutesingle and
I love this song.
today we will roast my haters back. Easy.
Downloading the explosion meme is proving to be a real challenge for you. I can only imagine how weak your roses will be.
If you didn't know, people with no fathers is less. Look. How much?
This is the greatest comeback I've ever witnessed.
Sakri, I understand you. You don't need to apologize. I know that that video was a joke, so I understand you, Kaka. It's okay.
Can't even edit an image properly. If you think about it, YouTube Shorts users would not have the attention span for that.
Okay. I like the montage, but I don't
Yes.
like the vids. You slap me for $100 million? No.
Yes.
And subscribe if you don't.
Surely everyone would take the 100 million, right?
I will slap you.
I don't want to.
This is my fan.
If you are naive enough to believe that you have any fans, I'd suggest paying more attention to your comment section.
Excuse me? I have 6.9 million fans. What do you mean?
Money won't buy happiness.
I do it for free.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Mr. Rebo Ted Pippy passed away. Like,
I'm so sad. Like, I really thought that Poppy died. It's Poppy, not Rip.
comment sad emojis if you love Poppy.
I'm so sad. Poppy died.
April Fools.
Oh, she's alive.
You're a real genius.
Thank you, Kaka.
I post an April Fool's joke on the 3rd of April about my sister passing away and leaving a scam link in the pinned comment. Truly a clown shout classic. You should try and join the Mr. Beast crew. That would
Yes, I should.
be a perfect thumbnail. We don't want her. Well,
Kaka, are you friends with Mr. Beast? Wow. You know, I don't hate you anymore.
it's actually insane that your legacy as a warm-blooded, breathing and living person will forever stay a scummy, goofy, feature for YouTube Shorts content farm spam chat that capitalizes on religion, animal abuse and gambling promotion.
Clown show. Me.
I don't hate clown show.
What's the hidden message here?
I take showers, and of course I don't support scammers, so... But how this is both correct if I don't support scammers?
Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it?
First time.
Kaka, I didn't know that you have so many dislikes. Well, you should change your content then.
Then comes the old versus new Boblocks part, and she of course shares her opinion on the matter.
That opinion, of course, was a joke. I don't know how you didn't even understand this.
Roblox in 2017 is clean. Roblox 2022 is good. It's hot.
People always asking me, where do you see yourself in